sa mga nice mag-road trip o mga mahilig ba sa road trip o yung mga hobby-hobby nila. Kaya po ng bikers at naghahanap ng nature landscape matapos ang mahabang biyahe. Diyan po sa bayan ng Angat, may isang cafe, restaurant, bar, grill, and KTV. All-in-one kung saan tanaw ang Angat River at Sierra Madre Mountain Ranges. Ayan po. Atin ang pasyalan ang Pugpog Bikers Highlands. Dito lamang po sa Galing, Bulacan.
Tagaytay feels ba ang hanap mo? Ngunit ayaw mong lumayo? Well, worry no more. Dahil sa bayan ng Angat sa lalawigan ng Bulacan, ay matatagpuan ang cozy and perfect go-to spot na cafe restaurant. Let's take a ride and visit Pugpog Bikers Highlands.
Pugpog Bikers Highlands po is a cafe restaurant, bar and grill, KTV and event space po at the same time. Our main attraction po is mainly yung natural painting po talaga ng Angat River. But here in Pugpog po, you can experience our outdoor and alfresco dining. Best time to visit here is kapag weekdays po, siguro po yung relaxing afternoon, late afternoon. Kasi po you can watch the birds freely flying there. While on weekends naman po, you can visit us po on morning kasi bukas na po kami ng 7 a.m. for breakfast ride.
Para naman sa kanilang ipinagbamalaking mga putahe, hindi mabibigo ang inyong mga panlasa sa kanilang inviting dishes na tiyak na magpapabusog sa inyo.
When it comes to our menu, we offer a wide array of food from all-time Filipino favorite.
Seafood kare-kare, pork binagoongan, beef stew and humba with rice, adobong kambing at kalderetang kambing, kilawing kambing, at papaitan. Kung gusto niyo naman ng chill na tambay at kwentuhan, perfect itong partnera ng hamburger and fries, nacho supreme, ham and cheese empanada, tofu square, seafood marinara, at carbonara alfredo. Pangmalakasan din ang kanilang irresistible top 5 dishes: baby back ribs, tuna belly, binagoongan rice, breakfast of the champions, at ang grilled platter. After matikman ang kanilang signature dishes, maaari nyo namang subukan ang kanilang mouth-watering pastries and drinks: triple chocolate cake, mango cheesecake, carrot cake and red velvet cake, chocolate mousse, blueberry cheesecake, dark chocolate cake, Shera's Terra lemonade, triple chocolate brownie frap. Life begins after coffee. Mapapakape ka talaga sa fragrant aroma ng premium coffee ng Pugpog Bikers Highlands from their Sanremo coffee machine. Spanish latte, caramel macchiato. After a long and tiring day, take a seat and chill sa Pugpog Bar and Grill and Experience, live acoustic band, KTV, at ang kanilang signature cocktail drinks.
Our event space po can accommodate 100 to 130 packs with in-house catering services. We offer po the best packages for your special events like birthdays, baptism, anniversaries, company meetings, and maybe your dream sunrise weddings.
Masarap dito kapag kasama mo yung family mo at yung food nila talagang masarap, hindi ka magsasawa. At syempre yung mga cakes nila talagang nagko-complement dun sa masarap nilang mga coffee. Masasabi ko na talagang high-end yung lasa ng kanilang mga coffee dito.
Hi Bulakeños! Kung magagwi po kayo sa Angat, dalawin niyo po yung Pugpog Bikers. Maganda po yung view, okay yung food, saka maganda yung ambience, masarap pong tumambay.
Sa kabila ng patuloy na pagtangkilik ng mga tao sa Pugpog Bikers Highlands, patuloy din nilang ibinabalik ang mga blessings sa mga nangangailangan.
Lahat po ng naiipon namin sa aming prayer wall, nilalaan po namin yan para sa aming mga outreach programs na nilo-launch po namin every anniversary po namin. I believe that Pugpug Bikers Highlands has reached the depth of its mission by reaching the community through our outreach programs and gift-giving activities. And we are honored and proud po to brought a new shed of light sa aming town.
For inquiries and reservations, you may call our number 0965-355-6517. And for special events and occasions, you may call 0962-940-4532 or you may visit our FB page, Pugpug Bikers Highlands. Imbitahan po namin kayo na magpunta dito sa Angat para bisitahin ang aming Pugpug Bikers Highlands. Bukod sa alfresco dining restaurants, makikita ninyo ang napakagandang view ng Sierra Madre, and of course, Angat River. Marirelax na kayo, mabubusog pa kayo.
Sa lahat po ng pamilya na gustong mag-celebrate, a group of friends po naghahanap ng perfect po at magandang tambayan, or if you're simply trying to escape the hassle and bustle of the city at gusto niyo pong magmuni-muni, from your morning coffee to your relaxing night drinks, bisitahin niyo po kami dito sa Pugpug Bikers Highlands.